trees, broken roads, desert dust bowl sun, where the bill man will call you almost every week. Which bills to pay today, what's left in the fridge to eat. Where stars frame the night, on out a train, just close enough to give hope, but too far to reach. I left there with that hope on fire, the backseat for a bed in search for something brighter. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that Dust Bowl Valley sun, I'm going back to the place I ran from.
Good evening, everyone. I actually haven't recorded anything at this location, really much at all, in a while, and that's because I'm working like crazy over there to get it ready for you guys. But something happened that's really exciting, so I'm going to show you that, and then I'm going to get back to work in that shop, continue getting it ready to show off to you guys. I can't wait. My Auxito LED headlights, I had an issue with one of them. One of the chips on the left headlight it's not out, but it's not really on either. So I got in touch with them. I mean, these are over a year old. It's the first issue I've had with them at all. And they said, no problem. We will send you the newest model if you want to check it out. And so these ones are 20,000 lumens, 100 watts. This new model is actually 120 watts, 24,000 lumens. So let's check them out. Okay, if I can get these open with one hand. They're coming. Yeah. As always, they give me some nice gloves and some cable ties. Unlike the other ones, these ones have sort of a more external fan. And what I do like about them is they have a, get out of there, very thin housing. Well, they sure pack them in here nice. Okay. They're cold too. They've been in the car. So surprisingly, it's mid-November and we don't have snow yet, really. So kind of odd, but there we are. They're hefty, just like the other ones. So let's go install them. We both know that won't take long. All right, so there we are. Installation was pretty easy. Don't mind the weird aim. It's, you know, obviously the right headlight is further from the door than the left. It's hard to say if they're significantly brighter until I try driving home at night, but they certainly look good. They seem to have a tight pattern, so we'll talk a little bit about installation here when I get inside where it's warm. So my installation review is as follows. Not quite as easy as these. So I was hopeful. The new ones have a driver module attached to them, and I was hopeful that that would eliminate the need for the anti-flicker driver on my Patriot, which they're notorious for flickering lights with LEDs. And unfortunately, it was pretty obvious that anti-flicker module was still required even with the other driver. So just that extra pigtail kind of hanging there, it's a little tougher to get it in. And the other thing I didn't quite like is that once it's installed, the chipset is not quite vertical. It's canted just a little bit towards the left, I guess you could say. I'm not certain if that's intentional, but they're not adjustable, which some other ones, I don't think these ones are, but some other LED light sets are adjustable. You can adjust the angle of these chips to get them nice and vertical. So we'll have to see how that goes. I'm going to go back out and just secure that extra harness and driver with some cable ties. And then I guess we'll give them a long-term test later on.